Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be creating an eyeshadow look using the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette, and this is one of my favorites of all time. As you can see, it's pretty well loved. I've had this probably for a couple years, and I'm also going to be using some of my other favorites. I'm going to do this burgundy smoky eye, more of a going out night look or something I would wear to impress somebody, and we're just going to hop right into this. Since we're doing like a deeper color today, I'm going to go into this color Malted, and I'm going to put that right in my crease. When you're doing a crease color, you want to have a matte color. You don't want the shimmer. I love shimmer, but it's not good for your crease. So here we go. Okay, and that is malted in my crease on both sides. I made it really super blown out looking and soft, but it's still a darker color, so you still get that very vavoom kind of look. And I'm going to take a different brush, and the next color I'm going to be going into is Bordeaux. And I'm going to take that, and I'm going to put that on my outer V and part of my lid. And I'm just going to go on the V, so you go V and up and around and up and around. I'm going to go do my other side. Now I'm going to come back to my first side and put some on the lid, but not press as hard as I did on the outer V because I want that to be a little darker. I'm just going to lightly tap the color. Give it a little hint of something. Other side. Perfect. Now what I'm going to do is get my all-nighter and my flat shadow brush. And I'm just going to spray some right onto my shadow brush. Okay. We sprayed some. I'm going to go into the color Molasses Chip. You can tell I really like this color. I use it a lot. It just has this really, really nice metallic look to it. And shimmery on the lid. I just really like how it looks. And I'm going to take that and pat it onto the lid. And it's not going to be the whole lid. It's going to be like inner corner to the middle of my lid. Do my other eye. Okay, beautiful, and you can see how glimmery that shadow is. I just really love it. Again, that was Molasses Chip from the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette, and all the shadows were from there. Now I'm going to go back into Bordeaux, which is that beautiful maroon color, and I'm just going to lightly add a little bit more to the outer V, and drag it onto the crease. All right, so that's looking good. Now what I'm going to do is just take a neutral color and clean up the crease. And I'm going to take a more of a fluffier shadow brush and go into Divinity. Now I'm going to take a thin eyeshadow brush. Again, spray it with some all-nighter setting spray. And I am going to go into that Bordeaux color, that maroon color, and take it under the eye to line it. And we're going to take that Bordeaux color and go right under the eye and give it a little smoky effect. And I like to take it all the way up to blend it in with the outer V. Ba-bam! Alright, now for some liner. I'm actually going to go into a brand new Maybelline eyeliner. I have this in brown, so do not fear, I've already used it. And I love it. I'm going to line the top eye. And then I'm just going to take the smudger on the back side. Ooh, I just pulled that out. I'm going to take the smudger on the back side and just smudge it out. Now what I'm going to do is take the brown liner and do my waterline. Brown liner. And go into my waterline. And I'm going to do the bottom waterline too. So really, really good if you're looking for a great liner. It works really well. And they don't smudge either, which I just am always smudging, but these don't smudge. All right, so now I'm gonna go into some mascara, but first I need to curl my lashes. Hold for 30 seconds. Oh, ouch. Other side. Great. So, speaking of things that you should get that are a little more expensive is this IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. This stuff is the bomb. This is not the drugstore. This, I think you can get it at Ulta or Sephora or something like that, but this stuff is amazing. And I'm gonna show you what that's like in a second. All right, now I just finished my eye look and I'm super loving this. I can't wait to see what it looks like with the rest of my makeup done and for you guys to give me your final thoughts. And I used a lot of the makeup that I love and I hope you guys enjoyed learning how to do this little smoky eye. And it's just so glam. I really love that molasses chip color. I think I would buy the palette just for that color, but all the other colors are so great in it, and the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette that I just am obsessed with it. It's so good. All right, and I will cut back to you in a second. All right, guys, and my makeup is all done, and I am loving this eyeshadow look. This is definitely something I would wear out to a bar if I was trying to flirt with someone, you know what I mean? Yeah, this is the eyeshadow look I would go with. It's natural but sultry and sexy, and I love it. And I did that all with a Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette. And I love this palette. This palette's so well loved. I've had this for years and it's probably time for me to update and get some new palettes. So if you guys have any good recommendations, please leave them down below in the comment section because I would love to check out what you guys are loving and do some looks with those. And even just review them and let other people know that these are amazing palettes. Yes. I really want to go out now, but I got nowhere to go. Except for wiping this off my face. But anyway, if you really enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell. That really tells YouTube that you really enjoyed this video and you want to see more. So my videos will come up more, and it also lets YouTube show it to other people that might enjoy this video as well, and that really helps me out. So if you would actually do that for me, that would mean the world to me. And also, check out this album while you're at it. You can get this on iTunes, Spotify, Apple Music, Shazam. It's everywhere pretty much. I have it on a lot of digital stores. It has 10 songs. It's my first full-length album, and I am pretty much obsessed with it because it's my baby. And you guys should definitely check it out. I am actually playing a show. Like what? I'm playing a show. Yeah, I'm playing a show on May 18th in Bethlehem, PA, and it's at the Steel Stacks. It's really cool, and it's a huge, huge, huge stage. It's a free show. It's May 18th at 7:30 p.m., and I would really appreciate it if you guys came out. If you're in the area, it would mean the world to me. So yeah, I'll link all that information down below. I hope you have a great day, great night, whatever time this is for you, and thank you so much for watching.